Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Razer Leviathan V2 with Razer Audio app. To do this, first you will need to download Razer Audio app, which you can find on Google Play Store or the App Store on iOS devices. Now let's open the app and inside allow all of the permissions that you'll be asked. Then we can navigate to the Bluetooth settings on our smartphone, enter Bluetooth pairing mode on the speaker. So I just turned it off, then power it back on, and here on the Bluetooth button, click and hold it for around 8 seconds until you hear the voice prompt or the light turns blue like this. And on the bottom of our Bluetooth list, we'll be able to find the speaker. Or actually I connected to it already, so it's right here, but you'll be able to find it on device list if you haven't connected with it previously. Now we can go back to the app, click on add device, and here it will search for our speaker. There's Leviathan V2 X. And now it's connected with the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.